Welcome to Technofission. In our today's video, we are seeing identity and access management in AWS. So in our this video, we are seeing creation of user and group, adding user to the group, assigning role to the user and group, assigning permission to the particular user and group, accessing our AWS account through our IAM user, and deleting the users and group. So first we are opening Google Chrome and open our AWS console. Then we are signing into our account. Then after sign in, we are going to identity and security management, and identity and security management we are choosing IAM. So here our IAM dashboard will be here. Then in our left side we are seeing we have groups, users, roles, policies, and in our center side we are seeing all the things will be zero because we have zero users, zero groups. So first we are adding users. So we are add user here. For adding user we are giving the username, then access type, then we are giving password here. We are choosing custom password for our convenience. Then we are going to set permissions. We are not adding our user to the groups. Then we are going to reviewing this. Then we are going to create user. After creating the user, we are downloading the credentials of user for accessing the user account. Then we are closing this. We are adding one more user for comparing both of the users. So here we are giving the name of the user, following the same step, and we are adding 5 IAM user at a time, and our username does not exceed 64 characters. So here we are adding our new user from the same step like first one. Then we are going to the groups. So we are going to create one group, giving the name. Then we are set the policy to the group. All the members in the group, they are assigning same policy if they are the member of group. So we are adding the policy to the group, and our group name trial will be created. Then we are adding the users to the group. So we are adding both our user to the group name trial. So here we see our users have same policies. Those policy we are assigning to the group. After that we are going to particular user and assigning policy to particular user. So first we are going to Tom and assigning policy of EC2, allow all EC2 instance. So Tom will access only EC2 instance. Then we are going to check our username Tom will assigning policy or not. So Tom will access one group policy and one personal policy. Then we are going to the Jerry and add permissions for Jerry. Jerry will access only S3 bucket. So we are assigning Jerry to access on the S3 bucket and adding the permission of S3 bucket to Jerry. After that we are going to the policies to see how many policies are here. There are many policies we are assigning to our user, but for check we are only using 2 policies. Then we are going to role. We are creating one role. So we are choosing AWS services, and in our AWS services we are choosing EC2. Then we are choosing the case and set permissions. So after setting the permissions in EC2 instance, we are giving full access, then giving the name instance, then we are going to create a role. After all this thing, we are going back to our dashboard. So we are going to our dashboard here, and we are seeing we have two users, one group, one role. Then we are going to access through our users. So we are seeing in our dashboard we have one link. So we are copying this link and going to our search panel and paste it here. So through this link we are accessing through our user to our AWS account. So here we are giving the IAM username. So we are accessing from Tom and giving the password. First time we are changing the password here. So here we are giving our old password first time, then we are giving the new password. This will be mandatory to change password, otherwise we will not signing into our IAM user account. So we are logging into our IAM user account and we are seeing we are logging from Tom, and we are giving Tom to access only EC2 instance. So first we are checking Tom will access EC2 instance or not. So here we open EC2 dashboard and we are seeing they are successfully using EC2 instance. So after that we are going to see they will use more services or not. So we are going to check Tom's S3 bucket. So here we see one error will become and giving the message access denied. So Tom will not access more than EC2 instance. So we are logging out from the Tom and login from Jerry to check Jerry will access S3 bucket or not. So we are logged in, then we are change our default password. So here we log into our account Jerry, and first we are check Jerry will access EC2 instance or not, because we are giving permissions to use only S3 bucket. So here we see one message will become they will not access EC2 instance. So we are seeing Jerry will access S3 bucket. So in S3 bucket Jerry will successfully access S3 bucket. For seeing how to create S3 bucket and EC2 instance, you are seeing my previous videos in my channel. So here we're logging out from the Tom and Jerry, both our IAM user account. Then we are going to our root account and we are signing into a root account, and we are seeing how to remove user and groups. So first we are checking user. So our user have policies, we are giving they are accessing this or not. So Tom have the policies, they are accessing this. Jerry have policies, they will accessing this easily. So here in our dashboard we have two users, one role, one group. So first we are deleting users. So we are deleting user from this step. After that we are going to the group and choosing the group and going to group action and delete this group. Then we are going to the roles. We are choosing our role we are created and delete this role. So after that our dashboard will be empty. We have zero users, zero roles, like we are not using this. Then we are signing out from the account, and we are ending this video here. So for more updates regarding AWS and other technical topics, subscribe to our channel.